In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to my Getresponse pop-up form. We'll walk through this inside your Getresponse account step by step, so by the end, you'll have a customized pop-up that actually collects the information you need from your visitors. First, log into your Getresponse account and head to the main dashboard. From there, go to the top menu and look for the Tools section. When you hover over or click on Tools, you'll see an option called Forms and Pop-ups. Go ahead and click that to open the area where all your existing pop-ups and forms are stored. Once you're on the Forms and Pop-ups page, find the pop-up you want to edit. You'll usually see a thumbnail preview of each pop-up. Move your mouse over the one you want and an option will appear to edit design. Click Edit Design and this will open up the visual editor where you can customize the content and layout of your pop-up. Inside the editor, look over to the right-hand side of the screen for the Elements panel. You should see an icon that lets you add elements, often shown as a plus sign. Click that Add Elements icon, and you'll see a list of different blocks and widgets you can add to your pop-up. From this list, find the element called Sign Up Form. Click and drag the Sign Up Form element onto your pop-up canvas. Drop it where you want it to appear. You can always reposition it later by dragging it around until it fits your design. Now click directly on the form you just added on the canvas. When you do that, a settings panel will open on the right side of the screen. This is where you control what fields show up in your form and how they behave. To add more information fields, look for the option that says Add Custom Field. Click that, and you'll see a drop-down menu with any existing custom fields in your account, such as phone, city, or other details you've created before. Select the fields you want to include in your contact form, and they'll appear instantly on the pop-up. For each field, you can customize the label so visitors clearly understand what to enter. You can also decide whether each field should be required by using the Required toggle. Turn it on for must-have information and leave it off for optional details. When you're happy with your setup, look back to the Settings panel and click Save. This applies all your changes to the pop-up, and your updated contact form is now ready to use.